Toshiba JSW was established based on Government of India's initiative to set up and develop indigenous manufacturing facility for power equipments in India. Driven by strong economic growth, the Indian power generation equipment market is expected to see demand growth of more than 16,000 megawatts to 20,000 megawatts a year for the next decade. Coal-fired thermal power stations will account for over 60% of the capacity growth, far surpassing other energy sources. Toshiba, founded in 1875, with a global network of more than 740 companies with over 199,000 employees worldwide and annual sales surpassing 6.6 trillion yen, equivalent of 83 billion US dollars. Toshiba has more than 80 years of global experience in the power industry. Toshiba's investment in Chennai is the only facility outside Japan. Toshiba JSW is the only Indian company with 75% equity from the technology provider in this sector. This shows Toshiba's long-term commitment towards Indian power sector. The products are designed to suit Indian conditions and to ensure reliable power generation. JSW is a part of the $8 billion OP Jindal Group with interests in carbon steel, mining, power, industrial gases, port, infrastructure and IT. Toshiba JSW, a joint venture between Toshiba Corporation and JSW Group, was established in September 2008. The Toshiba JSW facility is located about 18 kilometers north of central Chennai, the major gateway to Southeast India. Toshiba JSW expects to invest approximately 8 billion rupees in the plant and its manufacturing equipment and essential facilities. Toshiba JSW will manufacture and market mid to large-sized steam turbines and generators ranging from 500 megawatts to 1000 megawatts for highly efficient supercritical thermal power plants in India. Keihin Operations. Toshiba's power equipment production facility in Yokohama, Japan will support Toshiba JSW in ramping up manufacturing and in working towards establishing an independent production scale of 3000 megawatts. Toshiba JSW's supercritical steam turbines and generators are highly efficient, thus consuming less coal. The highlights of Toshiba JSW joint venture are supercritical technology, environmental friendly, high efficiency, proven design with 6 decades of experience and successful running plants, comprehensive technology transfer from Toshiba Corporation Japan, best-in-class Japanese technology made in India. The turbines are manufactured under the guidance of Toshiba Japan, and the same stringent quality approval processes followed in Japan are being implemented here. So what customers get is Japan's quality at Indian price. Highlights Toshiba JSW. The total factory area of Phase 1 is approximately 52,000 square meter, the main plant as well as the blade shop. The admin building and the canteen has approximately 7,500 square meters. The joint venture agreement was signed on 7th May 2008. The Memorandum of Understanding with the Tamil Nadu government was signed on 7th July 2009. Land lease agreement signed on 21st September 2009. Groundbreaking ceremony 1st February 2010. Toshiba Corporation's President Norio Sasaki's visit on 1st May 2010. Start of trial production in the blade shop 27 January 2011. Export of first consignment of blades to Toshiba, Japan 18th July 2011. Manufacturing facilities. Maximum shop floor handling capacity of 500 tons. Computer-controlled machining facilities such as gantry milling and drilling, vertical, horizontal turning and boring, ultra-precision laser 2D 3D cutting facility, gas cutting facility, robotic narrow welding, controlled overlay welding, LPG-fired stress-relieving furnaces, surface blasting equipment, computer-controlled layout marking, 3D coordinate measuring machines, 4-axis, 5-axis CNC milling and turning centers for aerofoil blades, 5-axis tool and cutter grinder, CAD/CAM workstations, etc. Electrical infrastructure consisting of 110 kV gas insulated substation, 3 sets of 600 kVA DG sets. Green belt area of over 100,000 square meters, more than 30% of factory area. Electrical energy conserved through use of VFDs for drives and inverter type ACs and LED lighting. Natural illumination used in main plant. World-class safety practices are followed during construction and continued. Approximately 6.5 million safe man-hours have been achieved so far. The facility has been chosen strategically near Ennore Port with the support of Toshiba Corporation Japan. Toshiba JSW will also cater to the export market across Southeast Asia and Africa. The government of Tamil Nadu is extending full support to Toshiba JSW and is promoting infrastructure development that include power and water supply and strengthening roads and bridges between the plant and the port of Ennore. Toshiba JSW plans to hire 500 skilled manpower by 2014. Training is being imparted in Toshiba, Japan to Toshiba JSW employees in all disciplines including design, engineering and manufacturing. In its day-to-day operations, Toshiba JSW will promote local procurement of parts and materials for steam turbines and generators, an approach that is expected to make a significant contribution to expanding jobs and business opportunities in India. Toshiba JSW dreams of having an eco-friendly world with innovation and empowerment that makes it a desired destination for dynamic, energetic and youthful professionals. We endeavor to develop a truly motivated and committed organization and hold a leadership position in the thermal power plant equipment industry. Toshiba JSW, energizing India.